Good morning, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
You're talking softly.
Yeah, I do. Malamig this morning and we're out again. Ayan, masakit daw ang tiyan niya. Actually, I have a checkup today for my eye. My eye is red, really red. It's some parang meron bang tumusok na there's a blood. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba to. Pag-whitey ba to, too much whitey or sa editing, hindi ko alam. Medyo masakit, but not sore eyes. It's not a sore eyes. So, but prior this, mamaya pa yung ano ko yung check-up ko. We left early kasi bisitahin muna natin si Ate Cynthia ng Subway. So, I'll see you later. Nandito na kami sa Subway. Ayan. Tignan natin kung ano ang magagawa natin dito sa Subway. Yun nga, sa doktor nga muna. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nakato. Gaano kapula. Ayan o. Ayan.
Looking at your eye, huh?
Yeah, I'm sorry that my eye. Yan ang pa-check up ko mamaya. But now, nandito muna kami kila Ate Cynthia. Wala, dinayo ko lang sila rito. Binisita. Ayun, nandun sa loob ng ng counter na yun. Kasi Daddy Walter hindi rin magtatak ko ng siyan. Ano ba yan?
Hi! How are you today? It's Monday! It's a fun day!
Wow.
Okay, so you pick a bread. Like we have
Italian. Italian.
We have wheat, nice green honey oats.
Oh, yan si Ate Cynthia. Oh, yan si Ate Cynthia. Oh.
Huh? Italian bread?
Italian. Half lang 6 inches.
Make it foot-long.
Okay. So I will bring home the other half.
Italian, foot-long. Okay. Foot-long. Kasi maganda to, di ba? Oh.
Pero ate, yung half, iwi ko. No. Footlong.
Oh, foot-long.
Pero yung other half, iuwi ko. Kalahati lang kakainin ko.
Ah, okay.
Hatiin mo na lang siya sa gitna.
Ah, pinto na. Okay.
Hindi ba?
What?
So, wala akong choice kundi BLT. Kasi, hindi, ayaw niya kumain ngayon kasi may masakit ang tiyan niya eh.
Tuna or ano?
No, yun sa, BLT.
Ha?
BLT.
Bacon. Sa kanya to?
Sa amin dalawa, yung other half, kanya bibigay ko.
Okay. Wow.
Kasi, hindi ko naman kaya ubusin the entire. Masyadong malaki, di ba? Nasaan na si Ate Lynn?
Ayan, busy. Pepper jack, sweet,
What cheese do you like? What cheese?
American,
No, I'm not getting you one. Just in case.
provolone. And
Pareho na yan.
okay. Kasi low, low calorie.
Kanina lang sumakit yung tiyan niya eh. Ewan ko ba? Oh. Nakachar na to.
Parang buto yata yan eh, pero may sa
Malamig sa labas na.
sa slicey sa eating.
Ha?
Glycemic yata yung pangalan. Parang start with SI. Meron ako nun. Madali lang yan kasi pula yan eh. Parang sa ano yan, sa tulog. Siguro na ano.
Yan din sa mata ko?
Oo.
Oh. Pa-check up ko muna.
Kung saan kayo doktor? May kakilala akong doktor niya, si Dr. Skyber, magaling.
Oh. Ewan ko, meron akong binigay na schedule ng ano.
Diyan, may schedule ka?
4 o'clock.
May appointment ka?
Oo.
1 o'clock?
4.
Mabuti naman. Saan?
Sa McDowell.
May schedule
Yung sa may
ka na.
amin malapit.
Mabuti may specialist. Tingnan mo.
Lettuce.
Pareho din sa isa.
Oo, pareho na. Spinach. Iwi ko yung other half. Para sa
Alam
akin.
ko, ano?
Ha?
Hinanap ko yung sabi ko. Sana tanongin ko kaya? Ano nangyari sa ano?
Wala. Kung in-upload ko na yon,
Nabura?
tatawagan kita or i-message kita.
Oo.
Kasi
Sabi
hindi
ko,
ko...
hinanap ko.
Hindi-
Sabi ko,
hindi.
Dito.
Kasi parang hindi maganda yung ano natin nun. Wala tayong ganitong usap. Ang daming tao kasi nun eh. Diba? Remember?
Ang ganda, oh.
Hindi maraming tao nun. So, hindi ganun kaano. Ano nga ba? Yung akin may olives. Sa kanya wala.
Sa kanya walang ulo.
Oo, wala. Ako lang yung may olives. Kasi gusto ko yung olives.
Sanay ka yata sa ano, no?
Sa Italy?
Italy,
Oo.
Maraming oris. Ang
Oo.
sarap ng kung ano
Pinapapa ko yan, te.
nila kinain.
Bumibili talaga ako isang lata, tapos
Ah.
pinapapa ko yung olives. Okay na siguro. Honey mustard.
Ha?
Honey mustard.
Both?
Both. Kanya konti lang. Ang akin yung may olives. Ayos na yan.
Oh. Yun lang? Sa kanya?
Sa kanya, ay babalot natin. Sa yan, isa kakainin ko lang.
Huwag ayaw niya kapal dito?
Kasi, hindi siya makakain, masakitan pa.
Ah.
Guys, naalala niyo ba si Ate Cynthia? Yan yung may-ari ng Dwarf Orange. Diba? Grabe, ano ba yung mata ko? Lumiliit na ba? O ano? Lumiliit ba?
Oo.
Ha? Lumiliit sa mata ko, no? Parang ang pagi. Kasi siguro,
Dry kasi dito. Yan siguro yan sa mga tan.
last year, ganito rin, actually.
Talaga?
And, soup. Anong soup niyo today?
Broccoli and cheese.
Yung parena?
Oo.
Hey, drink this one or this
Wala
one?
akong kanin kasi ang dami kong kinain kahapon.
Ha?
Wala akong kanin ngayon.
Okay lang yun, te. Okay lang tayo maglalaro ng golf.
Ano nangyari sa kanya? Katigyan niya?
Hindi ngayon. Wala kaming dalang golf, eh. Tsaka di ako pwede ngayon.
Kasi stress yata na naman ako.
Hindi, pag-usapan natin sa day off mo.
Oo.
Ayan guys, kain muna tayo. Kain muna ako. Kasi after this, remember yung binili kong earbud na sinoli ko sa... Ngayon, isusoli ko na naman second time na to. This time, isusoli ko, kukunin ko na yung pera ko, papawiin ko na. Ayoko nang bumili ng mumurahin, hindi maganda ang quality. Nito. Ako, naghanap ako ng mura.
Oh, God.
Minsan may mura magandang quality. At this time, hindi ganun. Thank you. Solid ko. Since nandito na kami sa labas, mamaya kasi maano ako ng time. Ipa-check up ko kasi 4 o'clock. Kumain tayo. I'm gonna bring this home.
Okay.
When you're okay, this is for you. Kasi nga masakit yung tiyan niya.
Ay, wala.
Yun. Kaya nga sabi ko, pa-check up natin yung ano mo. Kasi mamaya gallbladder na yan, di natin
Brother,
alam.
saan ang sakit niya? Sa ano dito?
Ayan, ayan, ito, si Ate Lynn yan, may-ari ng Subway.
Oo, may ari ng Subway. Ayan.
Ito, Donya to sa Cebu. Yan. Yan na ano, tanggalin. Di ba?
Oh, naku, my God.
Ito ba tinuturo mo?
Sing-sing niya.
Akala ko makikiti siya sa akin eh.
Yan o,
Di ba? Yung pala yung sing-sing ko nga na ano niya. Hindi kala ko iti kaya ganun din ako. Diba?
Ang inano namin ito.
Hindi, mura lang yan. Engagement at saka wedding ring.
Tanggal mo kasi natin sa yung ano mo.
Keng-keng. Alisin mo. Yan. Tanggalin mo yung mask mo. Tanggalin mo yung mask mo nga. Ano? Ano ba? Maganda naman. Ayan, mapula, di ba? Ate Lynn, tanggalin yung kanyang ano eh. Ayaw tanggalin yung kanyang mask eh. Sabi niya, mas maganda raw siya kapag may mask. Ayan, kagulo. Kagulo.
Subway.
Yeah, welcome to Sakit.
How are you, sir? Husband is eating because he was like this too.
Yeah.
He was like this when I arrived. When we first married, he went to 180. So I said, that's it.
Oh,
Diet.
I'd love to be at 180.
I said, diet is, ang dami kong kinakain na. Puro low in
Low carbs,
calories,
low everything.
Carbs, low
Okay.
everything.
When
So he went into now 147. So now he's healthy, he's back to his bike.
Well, it's self-discipline. In his case, that's hard, huh?
It's hard for my husband too, but hey, I told him, soup. You eat that soup.
We have two things that isn't fair to anybody. The virus, where I used to work every single day.
Yeah.
She'd have a fight with me on Sunday. It's Sunday, you don't work
Aw.
Sunday. And yes, I do, I work every day.
Yeah,
Even Christmas Day, I'll work. And
Oh.
she gets so mad when I do that, so
yeah.
that's fine, except now
But
I
we need
just
your
spent
help. We need
over a
your
year.
help.
She needs a lot of my help, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I have enough trouble just trying to take care of her, I'm worried.
Even his blood sugar, I'm trying to maintain his blood sugar, but now,
For a long time, we had my blood sugar under control.
Oh, okay.
It was like between 120 and 180.
Oh, that's good.
It's not bad at all.
No,
You
not
know,
bad. Because
however-
you go how old are you? Then you
Right.
can go that way.
Yeah.
Then you're good.
But when I got pneumonia and went in the hospital,
Oh,
they were taking, as soon as I ate, they'd take my blood sugar. It was 200 to 300.
oh wow.
Yeah, really up. I'd never had it that high.
You know what you do is eat oatmeal with cinnamon. With cinnamon and apples. You
Cinnamon
squeeze a
gives
little
me-
bit of cinnamon and then
Cinnamon gives me heartburn.
Oh, cinnamon it gives
yeah,
you.
he has a lot of issue.
Oh, that's
When
tough.
that's really hard for me
Yeah, that's
because he
tough.
has a lot of
So,
issues.
you know what you should
sugar,
do? Get
blood
the,
thinner.
There's a doctor that goes for therapy of what you can eat, and you try this. There's an option, a lot of option. Give
Oh
you
yeah,
Oh, I know.
Banner
if
giving
you-
us,
Yeah.
Banner giving those what to follow
Yeah, if
in
it
the
does,
diet.
if it's not gassy, it's good for you. Whatever is your, then you maintain that, and then
The problem is those things he doesn't like. Not only doesn't
you
like,
can
a
try
lot of
until you
issue.
feel better, and then you know you
Yeah.
can treat yourself later.
I used to hate broccoli.
Yeah.
I eat it anytime she puts it on my plate now.
Oh yeah.
Broccoli
Yeah.
I
and
can eat broccoli.
Why
It
not?
blows my stomach like fart.
Oh.
I'm like, oh, I go like this. I cannot
I
even
love-
fart.
I
I
love-
cannot even fart. I was like, shit,
No,
how can I
in
do
my
it?
case, I love spinach.
Yeah,
But
spinach,
it
yeah.
makes you part. Okay?
Yeah, because spinach, my doctor said spinach is good for your balance of your
all
heart.
Yes,
kinds of
exactly.
things.
It
Yeah.
balance your heart with the spinach. You can eat a lot of spinach. So.
I do. But then gives you part. A lot
Oh,
of
it's okay.
parts.
That's good. Yeah.
Real funny part is, okay, when I discovered that I had diabetes in the hospital,
Yeah.
and when I got out, I started researching what's good to eat, what's
Yeah.
not.
Mhm.
broccoli. Green vegetables are good.
Yeah.
Darker green, the better.
Yeah.
Great. So I was eating massive amounts of broccoli and
Yeah.
Brussels sprouts and whatever.
Yeah.
Any greens I could get,
Peas, yeah.
along with my steak and whatever. And I'm gonna box you. Okay.
Smart.
And
I love
then
broccoli.
I ended up in the hospital with 54 blood clots.
Oh,
Yeah. Turns out that while the green vegetables are great for lowering your blood
yeah.
sugar,
Yeah.
they also thicken your blood so that you get blood clots. Yeah, it's a catch-22. You're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't.
Now you're scratching your head, huh? So now you understand.
Oh my God, this is crazy.
Oh, it hurt. It took all the fight out of me when I found that out. You know, when I ended up in the hospital, there are 6 doctors standing at the foot of my bed.
Yeah.
Dananan, dananan, dananan. Ah! Yan, tapos na kaming kumain ng lunch dito sa Subway. And ang lolo niya nainitan na. Ewan ko kung mainit na nga ba. Parang hindi naman. Anyway, yun lang, nag-enjoy naman sila. Nag-enjoy naman. Dami ko yatang salamin ha. Nag-enjoy naman sila. Ate Cynthia, we enjoy their company too. Medyo na-sermonan lang naman siya about the diet. She gave you a little, what do you call it? Lecture about the diet. So, yun lang, tawanan, di ba? And yun lang for today, you know. Pang ano lang, pang update lang. Sipag-sipag ko. Anyway, so I'll see you on Sunday and my next, Friday pa pala. I'll see you on Friday for my live streaming. Tuesday and Friday for my live streaming. What is this?
Oh, it's my eyeball before you stuck your finger in it.
I don't wanna,
Now can I go, ah!
I will see you on my live streaming on Tuesday and Friday. And I will have my another premiere on Sunday regarding the what do you call that?
Then I'm going to hell?
No.
That's nice to know.
Regarding the not the wedding, we're done with the wedding. And regarding the honeymoon. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell button so you will get notified every time I have a new video. Ciao.